And there's a real issue right now with dating, and
100%.
People are finding it harder to find love, and we're working longer, so all these kinds of things. You go, well, and obviously I'm against this. Just if anyone's confused, obviously I think this is a terrible idea. But with a loneliness epidemic, with people saying that the bottom 50% of men haven't had sex in a year, you go, oh, if something becomes indistinguishable from a human in terms of what it says and speaks. Yeah, but you just don't know the difference in terms of the way it's speaking and talking and responding. And then it can run errands for you and take care of things and book cars and Ubers for you. And then it's emotionally there for you. But then it's also programmed to have sex with you in whatever way you desire. Totally selfless. I go, that's going to be a really disruptive industry for human connection.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what? Before you came here this morning, I was on Twitter and I saw a post from, I think it was the BBC or a big American publication, and it said an influencer in the United States, this really beautiful young lady, has cloned herself as an AI, and she made just over $70,000 in the first week. Because men are going on to this on Telegram, they're sending her voice notes and she's responding, the AI is responding in her voice, and they're paying. And it's made $70,000 in the first week. And I go, and she did a tweet saying, oh, this is going to help loneliness. Are you out of your fucking mind?
Would you blame someone from noticing the sign of the times and responding?
No, I absolutely don't blame her, but let's not pretend it's the cure for loneliness.
Not yet.
Do you think it could? That artificial love and artificial relationships?
So if I told you you cannot take your car somewhere, but there is an Uber, or if you cannot take an Uber, you can take the tube, or if you cannot take the tube, you have to walk. Okay, you can take a bike, or you have to walk. The bike is a cure to walking. It's as simple as that.
I am actually genuinely curious. Do you think it could take the place of human connection?
For some of us, yes. For some of us, they will prefer that to human connection.
Is that sad in any way?
I mean,
is it just sad because it feels sad?
Look at where we are, Stephen. We are in the city of London. We've replaced nature with the walls and the tubes and the undergrounds and the overgrounds and the cars and the noise of London. And we now think of this as natural. I hosted Greg Foster, my octopus teacher, on Slow Mo, and he basically, I asked him a silly question. I said, you were diving in nature for 8 hours a day. Does that feel natural to you? And he got angry. I swear, you could feel it in his voice. He was like, do you think that living where you are, where paparazzi are all around you and attacking you all the time, and people taking pictures of you and telling you things that are not real, and you having to walk to a supermarket to get food, do you think this is natural?
He's the guy that from the Netflix documentary.
Yeah, from my octopus teacher.
So he dove into the sea every day
for 8 hours
to hang out with an octopus.
In 12 degrees Celsius.
And he basically fell in love with the octopus.
And in a very interesting way, I said, so why would you do that? And he said, we are of Mother Nature. You guys have given up on that. That's the same. People will give up on nature for convenience.
What's the cost?
That's exactly what I'm trying to say.